Start seamless communication today. Create your SMS template and connect effortlessly. First, log into your SMSLocal account. If you haven't signed up yet, simply create an account to get started. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the wallet icon. This will open your wallet dashboard. You can top up your wallet easily by entering your card details or using PayPal. Choose the option that suits you best. With your account topped up, head to the Content Template section in SMSLocal. Click New Template, add your message and save it. You can also view the history of past templates, keeping everything organized in one place. After creating your template, go to New Campaign and choose your saved template to send bulk SMS effortlessly. No need to retype your message. With just a few clicks, your SMS is ready to be sent to your audience. Simply schedule your campaign, and SMSLocal will handle the rest. You'll land on the dashboard to track campaign performance and manage activities easily. Create engaging content effortlessly with SMSLocal's ready-made templates. Get started today.